nature's most powerful healer, transformed through industrial precision into the world's most refreshing drink. From the sun-drenched fields of the tropics
to the high-speed lines of the modern factory.
We reveal the secrets behind the bottle.
This is the complete journey of aloe vera. It all begins here, in the vast plantations where the Barbadensis Miller variety thrives under intense heat.
Only leaves older than 3 years are selected, ensuring the maximum concentration of nutrients and polysaccharides.
Harvesting is done by hand to prevent bruising the delicate inner gel.
Within minutes of being cut, the leaves begin their journey to the processing plant to preserve freshness.
Speed is essential. The live enzymes in the gel are highly sensitive to oxidation.
The raw leaves enter the first stage of a rigorous cleaning process.
A deep immersion bath removes field dust and surface contaminants.
The raw foundation is set. Now, the delicate heart of the aloe must be extracted.
In an age of total automation, the finest aloe vera juice still requires the precision of a human touch. First, the bitter, thorny margins are removed, isolating the succulent heart of the leaf. Decortication is an art form. The goal is to remove the green skin entirely without nicking the inner fillet. It is critical to drain the aloin, a natural latex that acts as a powerful laxative and gives the plant its bitter defense.
What remains is the pure, nutrient-dense inner leaf gel, untouched by the outside world.
Each fillet is inspected against a light to ensure 100% purity.
These hearts are the soul of the drink, packed with vitamins and minerals.
They now move toward the first stage of mechanical transformation. For chunky-style juices, the gel is diced into perfect cubes to provide that signature texture.
A final rinse removes any lingering enzymes, locking in the neutral, refreshing flavor.
The temperature is kept at exactly 4 degrees Celsius to prevent any bacterial growth or degradation.
A precise amount of natural acidity is added to stabilize the pH, ensuring a long shelf life without heavy preservatives.
Gentle agitation prevents the cubes from settling and ensures a consistent mix for the next phase. The prep work is done. Now, the aloe is ready to take its final liquid form. In the assembly phase, the raw fillets are transformed into a consistent, drinkable base.
For smooth juice varieties, high shear grinders break down the fibers until the liquid is silky and uniform. To balance the naturally earthy taste of aloe, natural sweeteners are injected with mathematical precision.
Essential antioxidants are added to replace any nutrients lost during the initial peeling and to boost the health benefits.
For flavored varieties, real fruit concentrates are blended in, creating a refreshing fusion of taste and texture.
Oxygen is the enemy of freshness. Ultrasonic technology removes microbubbles to prevent oxidation and spoilage.
Continuous blending ensures that every drop of juice contains the exact same ratio of gel to flavor.
Quality begins with consistency. The pulp must be perfectly suspended throughout the liquid.
The mixture now moves toward the thermal core of the factory.
Gentle preheating prepares the delicate aloe enzymes for the flash pasteurization process.
Under immense pressure, the ingredients are bonded together so the juice never separates on the shelf.
Mid-process samples are taken every 30 minutes to ensure the formula remains perfect.
The assembly is complete. The factory is now moving at a rate of 10,000 bottles per hour. With the recipe locked in, the juice enters the most critical stage, making it shelf-stable.
Safety is non-negotiable. To ensure a shelf-stable product, the juice must undergo the flash pasteurization process.
Within seconds, the temperature is spiked. This flash method kills bacteria while protecting the delicate vitamins.
The juice is held at exactly 85 degrees Celsius, the kill zone for pathogens. Timing is everything. 15 seconds is all it takes to guarantee purity without scorching the flavor.
Pressure-regulated steam provides the consistent energy needed for this massive thermal transformation. Then, the shock. Rapid cooling stops the cooking process instantly, locking in the fresh, just harvested taste.
This thermal seesaw is what makes modern aloe juice both safe and delicious.
Now sterile, the juice is kept in a biosecure buffer tank, shielded from the outside world. As an extra layer of defense, UVC light shatters the DNA of any microorganisms that might have survived the heat.
Heat-activated stabilizers are triggered now, ensuring the pulp stays suspended for months to come.
Final degassing ensures a perfectly still liquid, ready for high-speed bottling.
We stress test the system constantly. The pressure of production never rests.
One last filter. One last check. The transformation is complete.
The juice is pure. The juice is safe. Now, it's time to dress it for the world. Before a single drop is poured, every bottle is ionized and sanitized to ensure a sterile internal environment.
The filling process is a masterpiece of synchronization, filling each container to the exact milliliter without a single spill.
A drop of liquid nitrogen displaces remaining oxygen, creating internal pressure that keeps the bottle firm and the juice fresh.
In a fraction of a second, the freshness is locked away behind a hermetic seal.
By inverting the bottles, the heat of the juice itself is used to sterilize the cap's interior.
A cold water shower prevents the juice from overcooking, preserving the delicate aloe nutrients.
The brand comes to life as the labels are heat shrunk, molding perfectly to the bottle's contours.
Every bottle is laser marked with its own unique identity for total global traceability. A final safety seal ensures the product remains factory fresh until it reaches the consumer.
Artificial intelligence inspects every bottle at millisecond speeds, rejecting anything less than perfection.
The juice is finished. Now it faces the final test of quality.
Before a single crate leaves the facility, the juice must prove its purity in our state-of-the-art laboratory. We subject the bottles to extreme pressure changes to ensure the hermetic seal will survive high-altitude transport and rough handling.
We verify the Brix level one last time, ensuring the natural sugar content and aloe solids are exactly to specification. Samples from every batch are incubated for 48 hours to confirm that the flash pasteurization has eliminated 100% of harmful bacteria.
The perfect aloe drink requires perfect suspension. We test the viscosity to ensure the pulp never settles at the bottom. We fingerprint the juice to verify the presence of asamanin, the key polysaccharide responsible for aloe's health benefits.
Consistency is visual. We measure the color to ensure every bottle has that same inviting, fresh glow.
Finally, the most sophisticated sensors of all, the human palate. Our experts ensure the flavor profile is crisp, clean, and refreshing.
We measure the total acidity to guarantee the pH balance is perfect for both taste and shelf stability. This test ensures the juice won't break or separate over its 12-month shelf life. We screen for even the smallest traces of heavy metals, ensuring the soil the aloe grew in was as pure as the plant itself.
With every test passed, the batch is officially certified for release to the global market.
The green light is on. The world's freshest aloe is ready to ship.
With quality certified, the pace quickens. Thousands of bottles are now synchronized for their final journey. High-strength, eco-friendly trays are formed in milliseconds to provide a stable foundation for the heavy liquid. Each case is marked with a digital identity, linking it back to the specific aloe plantation and harvest date.
Efficiency is key. The stacking pattern is calculated by AI to maximize space and prevent crushing during transit.
Protective layers ensure that the bottles arrive at the supermarket looking as pristine as they did on the line. Thousands of feet of high-tension film secure the load, turning dozens of trays into one indestructible block.
Extra reinforcement is added to the corners, the most vulnerable part of the cargo.
Smart tagging allows the factory to track the location of this specific batch anywhere on the globe in real time.
In this temperature-controlled environment, the juice waits for the trucks that will carry it to thirsty consumers.
The orders are in. The journey from the soil to the shelf is nearly complete.
The fleet is ready. Each refrigerated trailer is a mobile vault designed to keep the aloe juice at a crisp, consistent temperature.
Maintaining the cold chain is vital. From the factory floor to the store shelf, the juice never leaves a climate-controlled environment.
Once sealed, the cargo is locked. Security and purity are guaranteed until it reaches its destination.
Whether by land or sea, thousands of gallons of aloe vera juice are moving across continents every single day.
From the plantation to the local market, the journey that began in the soil has reached the shelf.
Crystal clear, nutrient-rich, and perfectly balanced. This is the science of refreshment.
From the heart of the leaf to the heart of your home, Gentech Insights, revealing the world, one process at a time.